Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a dark aesthetic coloring sort of effect on CapCut. So I'm just going to select the picture, so select it and go to filters and go to black and white and choose black and white too. Press the check mark button, go back, go to effects, go to video effects, go to basic and find blur, which is, where is it? Here you go. Press the check mark button and I'm going to export that. Press done, select the same project, select the select effects again, select the blur and press delete, and also you are going to remove the filter. There is that black and white. Okay, maybe let's not, hold on. Okay, here it is. Delete the filter. Then you are going to select overlay, add overlay, and add in that overlay we just created. Go to splice and choose slide, and here you can adjust it however you want. I'm just going to do around 90, 93. Then I'm going to go back, go to effects and go to video effects, and I'm going to go to basic and find motion blur. Select it and select adjust. Have the horizontal shift to around 50 and the intensity to around 65. And that is basically it. You can do this to videos too, not just pictures. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!